back where I was. So I've got Neuer, and I've got Aubameyang, which is not bad at all. And I got I don't know how to say his name, but... So, we're going to be opening 15 packs. So, we're going to start it right now. So, if I don't get an 85 rating or higher, I'm screwed. 14 packs to go. Oh boy. I'll be amazed if we would actually get... Oh, I thought that was Boateng there. Alright. 13. Come on, this takes forever, like, to load up. Alright. 12. Oh. Ooh. Oh, tricks. Oh my god. We actually got in third try. Yeah. Oh my god. So, we just finished it. Let's end the no, I'm not gonna end the video. 11. Let's get an 86 rating. Or an 85 again. Nope. 10. 10 is like biggest number because it's most popular. Alright, carrying on. Alright, nope. Nope. I have slow reaction, so I thought it was Marcelo. But... Ooh. Marcelo. Ah, the trolls. Oh, I've got Mata. Alright, I think that's my seventh or 6th. I'll go for 7th, why not? Six. Nope. 5. Come on, nope. 4. Come on. Come on. Come on. Nope. Oh, yeah. And an inform. 130 points. Oh my god. And Bolo, you're the god. Wait. 4. Since there's an inform. Counts. 4. Hernandez. Nope. 5. 5, come on. No, 3. Neuer. Oh my god. Oh my god. No, that's my second Neuer. Oh my. Best pack. It's known as the best pack in the world. Jesus Christ, and I have that on video. I think it was 3. Alright, 2. Come on. 2. No. I thought that was Ramsey by there, but no. Ooh, all right, we've got one more. Is that Zot? No. Immobile. All right, last flipping pack. All right, I'm gonna do the no. I'm gonna actually do not look. All right, wait a minute. I'm not gonna look. Oh, shoot. No! Alright, I'm not gonna look. But you guys will look at it. I won't edit the whole video. So I will never know what I'll get. Alright? So I'm gonna close my eyes. Alright? Give it a little shake. I think it's finished. So I'm just gonna click it. And I think I pushed the accuracy to the next pack, and this is gonna be the last pack. No. No. Oh, I thought that was Suarez, but I didn't look at the RM. Alright. See you guys. Oh, we've got the bus man. Go to the bus now. Alright. See you guys in the next video. Peace out.